All students enrolled in the park school will receive a park card. Make sure to bring both your park card and your student ID when you come to pick up your equipment. We're going to use that to verify your identity and streamline the process for pickup. We just need to make sure that the right person is coming in and to verify your order. Make sure to stop into PPEX each semester in order to get it validated. We'll give you a new semester sticker, and it's a chance for us to be able to check that your contact information hasn't changed. We need to have a phone number, email address, etc. It keeps us up to date. You'll need this card to pick up your gear, also to return it, and also to pick up or return fixed facilities such as edit bays, studios, etc. in the building.